Hi everyone, it's Nothigra and welcome to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how I did this all sound effects, this all sound design from this edit here. So I saw a lot of requests about it, so I'm going to show you how I did it. I will see it's going to be faster than the breakdown of my whole edit, I hope. So let me show you. First of all these sound effects that I used are in my Discord server. It's a big pack. So here so you can join my Discord server, link is in bio or in the description if you watch it on YouTube. So it's here in music and SFX, and in here SFX there is some example here, okay, of the best sound design I found. But if you prefer, you have here just below the free sound effects pack. There's more than 200, I think, sound effects that all of them are inside it. So you will find all these sound design effects here. So there's no issue later if you want to use them. Quick disclaimer, it's not mine, it's from D2, I think. If I don't, I think, yeah, it's from D2, so thanks to him for the sound design, so for the pack. So let me show you what I did. So all the sound effects are just below this layers. There's nothing just to separate the edit and the sound design. So everything here below are the sound design. So let me show you and explain you what I did, and the name are there, so you will be able to find them in the pack directly. So let's go. Okay, let's start with this nice sound design. Here there's an air whoosh for the beginning, just right there. What I did, it's super easy. I just play with the audio level. So if you click on L one time, you will be able to decrease or increase the volume, so the decibel of the sound design. And if you click twice, you will see the waveform. That's very important. So that's actually it's what I did on every single here sound design. And sometimes I just played with the audio level, so I animated with a keyframe, and that's it. Actually, that's it. And if there's some different effect like bass and treble, I will talk about later. I will tell you why I did it. So that's it. So it's just a bass here for the beginning. For this transition, it's a whoosh. So this whoosh there. Oh, we can't really hear it, but it's the whoosh fast that I use here with a mix here of an impact. That's why it's very vroom. You see, that's an impact too, and the whoosh fast. So that's it. So you can see the waveform. You can see like there, and I just played with it -4 and -10. Then you can hear the birds in the background. I wanted to add a little sound design here, so it's the -21 sound design. I don't think so, it's from the pack, this one, but just a basic bird voice that I found on Google. So you can search like bird voices and you can find for free here, because it wasn't in the pack. Here it's all the time the same, so with a cool whoosh here for transition, okay, with another whoosh just there for the end here, and let me see here an impact too. So usually for each transition there's a whoosh and sometimes some impact, and then there's a little zoom here. You can see, boom, that's this one, so the another whoosh. That's exactly the name I used. Okay, then let's continue with this big transition here. So there's of course an impact, very big impact. So all the time I played with the audio level, okay. And here there is, I think we don't really hear it, but there is a rain effect, like this rain effect, and I want it to be like shuffle. So because it's behind, like it's like it's outside. So to get this outside effect, I just add a bass and treble effect with the bass of 100 and treble to -100. So I think we don't really hear it, but I guess it does something cool. Yeah, we can hear it actually. So that's it here. Boom, rain, and the bass, like the whoosh, no, the impact, yeah. Okay, here it's all the time the same, so a whoosh. So here for this little whoosh, so the another whoosh, the same, it's for this nice and quick zoom here, the quick zoom. Then let me see right there, this you can hear this fire thing here. That's this audio right there, and you can see that I add a keyframes on it. So the name of this, it's Fire Huge Little Crackle, for you to find it in the pack. And then I animate here the audio level with here, and then at the end -25, because if I don't, yeah, it's very long, so it's very long, so that's why I just played with it. And here an heavy 2 for this transition 2 to the, that's it. And here, okay, right there is an SFX it. Okay, this it there, it's because he, inside of the clip, we can see that he take like the object, I don't know, so that's why. Poof. Then for the rest, uncool impact, of course, here for this here. So there's an impact electric, yeah, that's it. Then with the heavy, I don't think so, it's there, yes, yeah, that's just the impact heavy for transition. And then for there's like the flash and a punch effect. So there's a few. So for the camera flash here, that's basically the camera flash for this twice, I guess, or 3 times, no, just twice here. Then I add a punch like there. Okay, and I want it to be a bit shuffle, so that's why I use the bass and treble effect 2 on it. Okay, and that's, I did twice, just to not, like, I wanted something else than just the camera effect sound design, so that's why I add this little punch on it. Okay, impact, that's it, yes sir. Camera, okay, now there, here, big whoosh, big wind, etc., because there's some wind, like it looks like wind. So first, a nice fire whoosh. Wait. So there's like there, you can hear this fire whoosh. So it's like for the wind, and I just animate also the sound effect with minus like 28, then until -3, so to get this nice fade in effect. And that's it, I guess. Yes sir, yes, okay. So until here, where we have like a whoosh, it's coming just there. Okay, so here there is obviously the whoosh, that's the whoosh fast 5 that I used just here. Then there is a wind effect because he's floating, so that's why I use a fast wind, yeah, fast wind ambient, and I guess I animate it, yeah, that's right. Because he's floating again. Then here we have some interesting thing, it's that he goes underwater, so the sound design must be for that. So there's 3 different underwater effects. First, there's the underwater sound effect, so it's also in the pack. To get this like all the time, okay? So that's why. Then I added a water, but I think it's for the impact. So this one is the water punch, exactly. So just at the beginning, this it's at the beginning, and I added at the end bubbles whoosh at the end because he goes up. So I wanted something going like up. Oof. Okay. Going up, we don't really hear it because there's a different sound effect on it, but without we will see a difference, so yeah. Then I added, of course, a nice impact, so for here, the impact 12. I'm gonna see that later. Okay, then let me just be sure that I don't miss anything. Yeah, okay. So now the clothes, I wanted something like he moves and there's like some, I don't really know how to say it in English, but like he touched a lot of things, so I wanted something all the time here. So I used like the cloth ruffle 1, so to get something. Let me show you. I just pre-comp it, of course. Okay, so it looks like that. You see? So it's very important here to get it because he touched like this. I don't know how it's called in English, but this spoon, like this big spoon. You see, you hear it is like ambient. I like it. With the impact. Then I added another cloth effect, but that's for the end, so that's the close 3. Of course I had also a whoosh there, the whoosh, let me see, whoosh fast impact slap 001, that's the one I used. Okay, it's like there, and there is a wind effect, yeah, but that at the end, so that's I will talk about later. Boom. Okay, so here I wanted something again with some clothes, something with movements, because he moves like here with a big hug at the end, so that's why. So I added again a clothes here, clothes effect, and it's the clothes fast whoosh 6 for it. Okay, alright, shoop, boom. Then with the fire whoosh, just there, the fire whoosh 2, for, yeah, for there. And that's it, that actually is it. Yeah, impact, okay. Bloop. Okay, and so we hear it like there, it's like some wind coming. Here. Mostly at the end, of course, because it's here. I wanted something like an ambient wind because we are outside, so why not? And that's it. Then a big impact prime, you know, for the end, like for the name, just to stop everything. And that's the FS impact 4 for it that I used. So yeah, so that's it. Actually, it's like a quite fast, tutorial with a nice breakdown. What I can say is that, of course, I know that Fury said one time that we must feel it, but actually that's true, but not completely. So the advice I can give you, I know that my sound design, it's not perfect and you can add way more nice cool sound effects, but what I can tell you is that for each movement transitions, you can use like a whoosh and an impact. Why not? Just be sure that it's not too much, too boom boom, you know. It must be subtle and it must like help the music but not take the place of the music. That's important, I think, yeah, I guess. So each time you can see that I use like impact and whoosh. I think it looks great and I like it. Then what you can do, and I think it's better, it's for each clip to add like an ambient sound design. So if you're outside, why not like a wind behind, or hear some birds singing, or here you can add like a just an ambience first. Like here you can add like some ambient right there, or when it's cooking, why not like a clock, cluck. I don't know, all this stuff we can add. I didn't, but I think we can do that for a better, even better sound design. And that's it for all of them. One last important thing for me, it's like the solo sound effect. So you can watch any clips, okay, and think of something different that you can add a sound design and sound effect. For example, here we can imagine that there's a girl singing, for example, so we can add like a sound design where the girl singing like very subtle, okay, it's not something very important, but it's add some life to your sound design itself. So for example, here birds, or a city, no, not a city because that's the environment, but I don't know, something like, yeah, birds, it can be birds or anything else. Here he's cooking, so why not some sound design for the cooking? When this, I don't know what it is, like this bottle full, you can add something. When you grab it, you can add. So all this little thing here, it can be cool, like a bicycle sound effect, etc. So that's very cool and important to get like a very professional and very very cool sound design. I don't know how to say it. Sorry for my English, but yeah, so that's important. So transitions, it's whoosh and impact. You can add some environment sound design and some solo sound design for specific movement, specific movement. That's what I can say. So yeah, so that's how I did it. You can find, of course, again, the pack right there if you want. And yeah, see you later, see you in the next tutorial, and thank you, bye bye.